Students, now here come I am discuss the complex variable function and analytic function. Complex variable and analytic function is very useful tools to solve the some engineering and science problem, and also used to solve the real integral of real functions. What is the complex? We know that z is the x plus iy. This is a constant variable complex number. This is called a z complex number, and I is called the under root minus 1. This is the imaginary number. This is the unit of the complex number. Now come on, discuss first. We have the complex variable. Complex variable, as you know, x plus iy is a complex number. It is equal to the z, where x is called the real and y is called the imaginary. We make the Cartesian coordinates here, x axis and here y. This is the imaginary axis and this is the real axis. Suppose that this is a point P xy, then makes the line this distance is called the x and this distance is called the y, and point is the imaginary. If you feel the imaginary axis, then it is called the x I y. In card number 1, Cartesian product, Cartesian form, this is write the x plus iy. Number 2, if take the in polar coordinates, it means z equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta. Okay, now in discuss in polar coordinates, take the points. This is the angle theta, and now make this is the radical vector r, और हम इसको लेंगे r cos theta, and this is the r sin theta. And third form, in the exponential form, z equal to r e के power I theta, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay beta, now come on to discuss the function of a limit. Function of a complex, function of a complex variable. It is denoted by z equal to x plus iy. Then fz, this is the function of complex variable. It is also denoted w, and fz is equal to u plus iv, where u and v both are the function of x and y. x y plus I v x y. This is the function of fz, and it is equal to w. Clear? When the complex function, then we have to study the limit, continuity, and the differentiability of the above function. Now let w equal to fz is a complex variable function. It is defined in a region, and suppose that z equal to z naught is a point, then limit is defined as limit z tends to z naught fz equal to omega naught or w naught. This is called the limit of a function. To discuss its continuity, we know that w equal to fz equal to u plus iv is a function. Suppose that this is a region, we have to take the study the continuity at that point z equal to z naught, then modulus of fz minus fz naught is less than a small number, that is called the epsilon, and z minus z naught is less than a eta. Then limit of the function, limit at z is equal to z naught fz is equal to fz naught. This is called the continuity of that function. And listen, and differentiability is defined as f dash z is equal to fz plus delta z minus fz upon del z. That is called the differentiability of the complex variable function. It is defined as, we know that w equal to fz. Now we have a small increment, then w plus del w and z plus del z. Now subtract equation 2 minus 1, then we gives the del w equal to fz plus del z minus fz. Now take the limit del z tends to 0, then we have to limit del z tends to 0 and divided on both sides, and here also take the del z tends to 0. It means this whole function we have to write down f dash z, and it is equal to this limit del z tends to 0. This is called the differentiability of the function. Yes, students, the next topic is the analytic function. An analytic function is said to be analytic at a point in a region z equal to z0. The function fz is differentiable at that point, but it is also differentiable its neighborhood. Then it is called the fz function is analytic. Then function fz is called the analytic. In other words, a function is analytic in a domain if it is the analytic at every point of the domain. Clear? The analytic function is also called the regular function, monogenic function, or the holomorphic. Clear? And entire function, a function which is analytic everywhere in all the region, then it is called the entire function. Now come on to discuss it. The CR equation. Now come on to discuss the CR equation. What is the CR equation? Or it is called also Cauchy-Riemann equation. Cauchy-Riemann equation. We know that W equal to Fz, Fz equal to U plus IB, where U is the function of xy plus IB xy, and V is also the function of xy. Then the partial differentiation of del u upon del x, it is equal to del v upon del y, and del u upon del y, it is equal to minus del v upon del x. This is called the CR equation. It means any equation is satisfy, any function is satisfy the CR equation, then it is called the analytic. Now come on to discuss a problem. Hello students, this is a problem. Determine which is whether 1 upon z is analytic or not. First you prove that analytic of this analyticity of this function. It means first you write the solution. Let fz equal to 1 upon z. We know that z equal to x plus iy. Then fz equal to u plus ib, and it is equal to 1 upon z. This implies that fz equal to 1 upon z ko we have to write down x plus iy, and rationalize this function is multiply on numerator denominator its opposite, x minus iy. It is equal to x minus iy upon x square plus y square. Then u equal to, by comparing the coefficient of this function, then u equal to x upon x square plus y square, and v equal to minus y upon x square plus y square. Then find, therefore, as a student, now therefore find del u upon del x. Del u upon del x निकालने के लिए we have to use the denominators formula, and the formula is x square plus y square to whole square, and now denominator into numerator differentiation, this gives the 1, minus numerator into denominator differentiation, this gives the 2x, and by simplifying this gives the y square minus x square upon x square plus y square up to whole square. Similarly, we have to find out del u upon del y, and del u upon del y, this gives the minus 2xy upon x square plus y square to whole square. And similarly, we have to find out del v upon del x, it is equal to x square plus y square to whole square, and del v upon del y. Del v upon del y, it gives the y square minus x square upon x square plus y square to whole square. Clear? From these differentiation, we see that del u upon del x is equal to del v upon del y, and del u upon del y equal to minus del v upon del x. These are the CR equation. These are CR equation is satisfy. Hence, this is to satisfy the analytic function. It means 1 upon z is an analytic function. These are satisfy the CR equation when x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then 2xy upon this is equal to 0. This gives the undefined form. It means this equation is satisfied except at x equal to 0. x equal to 0 को छोड़ करके सब जगह ये satisfy हो जाएगा. It means this is analytic at all the point except at z equal to 0. Okay, thanks. Now we have to do some more questions. Okay, thanks.